See that stake? These are the stumps I'm trying to cover. I got some fill dirt like this I'm going to bring over here and fill in around the center of these stumps. I make like a mound starting up here at the high side and then tapering off down both sides all the way down through here. What I'm doing is I'm using this line level or chalk line to just give me an idea as far as how much height you got to go. I'm using my homemade plumb bob. I basically took a cotter key, welded washer to both sides of it, hang it from there. So I want to do like make a plumb bob. If I want to find the center of something, hang it down there and find it. So anyways, I got it tied on there. I got it stretched tight all the way across down to there. Now I know how high I got to fill in my dirt. And the reason I'm doing this is my mother-in-law gave me some azalea bushes and I want to transplant them, but I want to know how deep to put them. So what I want to do is figure out, using this level as the height of the dirt, how deep to dig my hole, except the bulb with the ball underneath. Same with that one. I'm kind of pressed for time here. I'm trying to beat the rain and beat everything else. I've got some little bit of fill dirt left over there I want to use up, get rid of it and get it gone. Got topsoil to top it off with and cow manure to put in there to help fertilize it. So I'm trying to kind of do a step-by-step thing. I want to get an idea how deep to plant this, to start doing this ahead of time so I get these plants in the ground before they start drying out. That's why I want to try to get this done. So there's a good start. Now I have a start how to deep put my lines at. I can take my azalea bushes and find out where I want to place them at, get them dug in and get them healed in so that at least the roots will be protected. They'll still get water and it won't dry out and won't freeze. They're calling for cold temperatures tomorrow, like high in the 40s, northeast Ohio. Gotta love the weather. Well, this is what I got so far. Got that one there, got that one over there. As I get more time, I'll bring more dirt over and start filling in these spots in here, getting the center built up, and then I'll start coning the edge. A work in process.